Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
We've got some serious tech troubles brewing with the Apple Watch community. As of April 10th, U.S. Apple Watch users have just over a week to stake their claim in a $20 million lawsuit settlement. Now, this isn't just about Apple settling up, it's about a design flaw that could potentially ruin your watch. The issue at hand is battery swelling, which is a normal occurrence as any battery's lifespan. But here's the thing. Apple allegedly sold watches with insufficient space to accommodate this swelling, putting user screens and other components at risk of damage. The lawsuit claims these defective watches were being sold without proper safeguards in place, leaving users vulnerable. Now, we want to make one thing clear. Apple hasn't admitted to any wrongdoing, but that doesn't mean they're off the hook just yet. This settlement is a massive acknowledgement from the company that something went wrong, and it's about time. The terms of this settlement are pretty straightforward. First-wave claimants will receive around $100 per watch, while later claims will receive around half that amount. But let's be real, $100 might not go as far as you'd like for an Apple Watch. Still, every little counts in a class action suit like this. It's worth noting that the terms of this settlement are subject to change, and we'll be keeping an eye on any developments. For now, though, it seems like U.S. Apple Watch users are getting a pretty sweet deal. But what about those outside the U.S.? Will they have similar options? As always, at WatchWire News, we're here to keep you in the loop with all the latest tech news and updates. Stay informed, stay vigilant, your wallet might just thank you.